Good evening, Ma'am Bless. This is my sport news report. It's all about local basketball teams clinches championship title after trialing finals. Manila, Philippines. The home crowd erupted in celebration last night as the Metro Warriors secured the championship title after defeating the City Hawk in the trialing final game. The Metro Warriors dominated the fourth quarter with strong defense play and accurate shooting, finishing the game with a final score of 89 and 82. Team captain Jason Reyes led the scoring with 24 points, while teammate Mark Dela Cruz contributed crucial rebounds and assists. Coach Alan Mendoza praised the team's discipline and teamwork. This victory is the result of months of hard work, training, and unit, he said during a post-game interview. Fans filled the stadium to support their teams, creating an energetic atmosphere throughout the match. Sport analysts noted that the game showcased impressive performance from both sides, making it one of the most exciting finals of the season. The champion would marks the Metro Warriors' first title in 5 years. A victory parade is scheduled to be held later this week to celebrate the team's achievement. More updates and highlights will be shared in the next sports segment. That's all. Thank you.